Question 23 offers us, well, it's a line scale factor, area scale factor problem. We've got three similar triangles, this small one, then the FC base one, and then the ED base one. And the scale factor has been given to us in this ratio form, AB to BC to CD. So the first thing to do is to sort that ratio out into a clearer form which will give us length scale factors all along this side here. So the ratio as it was given to us is 1 to 2 to 3. So if we take this as length 1, this first ratio of 1 to 2 means that this length will be 2. We've got 6 compartments in total, so this must be a length of 3. But in a way, we're more interested in the lengths of this small triangle compared with the lengths of the medium triangle and the large triangle. So the equivalent length in the medium triangle, which is this length here, is 3. And the equivalent length in the large triangle, in other words, the length AD, is 6. So now we've got our length scale factors, 1 to 3 to 6. Now let's look at the rest of the question. As you notice, I've shaded some of the areas concerned. The blue area is ABG, the yellow area is BCFG, and the red area is CDEF. So how do we get to it from these length scale factors? Well, the area scale factors will be each of these numbers squared. So that'll be 1 to 9 to 36. But those scale factors refer to, let's take the blue triangle as the base. The scale factor will relate to this area. This will be blue plus yellow. So what I've said here is that if the blue triangle equals 1, then using our area scale factor, then the area of the blue and the yellow must equal 9. So therefore the yellow area must equal 9 minus 1, which is equal to 8. So that's the second one of our important results, which are part of the answer. So what about the large triangle? So again, using our area scale factors ratio, if the blue triangle equals 1, then the combined big triangle, which is blue plus yellow plus red, must equal 36. So using those facts, the red area on its own must be the whole thing, 36, minus the two other areas, which is 8 and 1, giving an answer of 27. And that's the third of our important results. So bringing this all together, the ratio of the blue area to the yellow area to the red area must be in the ratio of 1 to 8 to 27. And there's the answer.